Sample problem on spiral curve. So ito yung problem natin, no? So ito yung mga values na given, and then ito yung equivalent na figure. So sa spiral curve natin, dito natin discuss yung problem, no? And then ano yung mga given. We have here a figure of the spiral curve. So meron tayong length ng spiral which is 80 meters. So therefore 80 meters din to, no? Yung kabila kasi symmetrical yung spiral curve natin. And then we have the point of intersection dito sa dalawang longer tangents, and then you have I equals 54 degrees. Yan yung angle of intersection. Wala tayong given na IC, or that's the central curve, central angle ng circular curve, and then given yung radius ng simple curve which is 350 meters. Ito yung mga station points natin. We have TS, or the tangent to spiral. You have the spiral to curve, curve to spiral, and then you have the spiral to tangent naman na point. Ang pinapahanap sa atin dito is the tangent distance from PI to TS. Ito yung PI natin, which is the point of intersection, and then you have TS. So ito yung distance na kailangan nating isolve. Sinulat na natin dito yung equation for the tangent para hindi natin makalimutan. So ang components ng equation natin, we have the length of the spiral, LS, we have the radius of the curve, and then you have rho, or yung length of throw or shift, and then you have the I, which is the point of yung angle ng intersection dito sa intersection ng tangents natin. So if we examine the equation, ito yung mga given, and then kung merong unknowns, isosolve natin, no? So ito yung given, LS, that's 80, ito rin given, that's 350. Rho ay hindi siya given, pero ito yung equation niya. Tapos given na din lahat, no? So we have LS, and then you have RC. So given na lahat, and then given na rin yung I na angle of intersection. So therefore, pwede nating isolve na diretso yung tangent natin. So T is just equivalent to, we have plug in lang natin yung mga given na mga values. So we have 80 meters divided by 2 plus we have 350 meters plus yung equation ng rho, that's 80 meters squared divided by 24 times 350 meters. Tapos bracket na lang yung gagamitin natin kasi may mga parentheses na. And then we have tangent of 54 over 2. 54 degrees divided by 2. So ito yung meters. Magkakancel din yung isang meter dito. Ito mawawala na to. So meters din. So magiging meters na yan lahat. So ipapaplug in natin yan sa calculator. Ang lalabas na sagot dyan is we have 218.72 meters. Okay? So, paki-confirm na lang dito sa calculation natin. Pero I think ito na yun. No? Tama na yung sagot natin na tangent. Okay? Ito na yun, no? For the final answer sa sample problem na to. So, follow lang tayo dito sa equation natin. Kabisaduhin lang natin yung equation na yan. And then, ito rin, additional na equation na kailangan natin memorize. Actually, equivalent lang to ng XC. No? XC over 4. Kasi over 6 yung XC. Tapos, lagyan mo na lang 4 para maging 24 siya ulit. Yun. Dali lang, no? So, this is it for this sample problem. Thank you again for watching, and see you sa mga next sample problems natin.